Here at Majestic Aquariums at the moment, we're currently trying out the Maxspect lights. So they're 5-watt LEDs. They look pretty good. They come on a nice bracket. So that bracket's obviously upside down, so it can be attached to the top, whereas normally that bracket will come off the top of the aquarium. And they're usually not elevated so high above the aquarium. It's just, in this case, it's convenient for us because we're in and out of the tank all the time. It's got a computer controller on it that you can set all different cycles and things. Sun up, sun down, moons, clouds, everything you can think of. And one of the great things about these particular ones is how many different colours are in it. There's all different LED modules. So I can see about 5 different colour spectrums in the actual light, which is obviously a big benefit. So they're nice and bright, and they're relatively good value for the quality of them. I'm very skeptical of most of the LED lights on the market, like that one. I've got a lot of reservation on them. And one of the main problems is with the cheaper units. They might be 3-watt globes, but then there's not actually 3 watts going to them. Because a lot of the time, if you are actually putting 3 watts to a globe in parallel circuit, it either heats up too much and makes some of the globes pop. So what the Chinese do is just reduce the amount of energy going, electricity going to it. Then what that actually does is means that you're not getting the right intensity or spectrum out of the globe because you're not getting the right amount of light to it. Whereas these ones here are not on parallel circuits. These are individually powered, each globe. So you're making sure that you are getting exactly 5 watts per globe. So they dim up and fade and all the rest of it. It's very easy to add extra units. So you basically just need a power supply and a couple of units to run off it. And you can add the computer to do all the tricky stuff with the light. But value for money, I think these Maxspecs are probably the go. The other one I've been quite impressed with is the radiums, and a lot of the others I've not been too impressed with. So if you want to come down to Majestic Aquariums and see these guys running, see what you think, that'd be great. So I don't have a lot of corals in here at the moment because the weather's been pretty bad, but you get the idea. They're definitely pretty modern looking, pretty smart looking light.